System errors causing the Gross-beat audio effect DLL crashes in image line. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To start the walkthrough for Gross-beat audio effect, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Gross-beat audio effect, the core engine library for the Gross-beat time manipulation plugin, responsible for rhythmic gating, time slicing, and volume automation used in FL Studio and compatible hosts. It drives the DSP routines that enable stutter and glitch effects. If missing, projects that rely on Gross-beat may report plugin load failures and lose timing-based effects. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. For errors involving Gross-beat audio effect, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Gross-beat audio effect component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Gross-beat audio effect DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Gross-beat audio effect synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Gross-beat audio effect error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.